Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans, just naked Ireland. So what is a poke van, I hear you say? Well, the simple answer is it's a van that sells pokes. And a poke is a Belfast slang term for an ice cream cone. When we were kids, we'd listen for the distinctive chimes of the poke van when it came into our street. Then we'd run to our ma and try and get money for a poke. The Rolls Royce of the poke is the 99, which included a flake. The chocolate manufacturer Cadbury's named their flake a 99 when they launched it in the 1930s. This was to appeal to Italians who dominated the ice cream industry at the time. During the days of the Italian monarchy, the King's Guard consisted of 99 chosen men. Hence, really special things came to be known as 99. And that's a little known fact.